Okay, so in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you how to install Laravel 7 in Windows 10. So first we're gonna install our server. So we're gonna go to laragon. Okay, so we're gonna use laragon. So we're not gonna use XAMPP, and click downloads. So get the full version. So the edition, you're gonna get the full version and click download. And after the installation is done, okay, so we got the file. Okay, so open the file and we're gonna install it on Windows 10. Install it anyway. Yes. English. Next. Next. Okay, so the installation is done. So click run the laragon and finish. And close this, and you're gonna get this kind of interface. So what you're gonna do is start all. No, just click this setting, preference, service and port. So I want to Apache to set 82 because I'm using port 80 in my system. So if you don't have or install IIS, for example, for me I'm using port 80, so that's the reason you need to change the port number. And like that, close that and start all. Allow access. And yeah, so it's working. And right click on here, quick up. So they have Laravel, right? So pick the Laravel. So this is the latest version. If you want Laravel 6, click Laravel 6. So this one 5.6. So this one will get the latest version on the repository on Git. So click this one and name the project. So Laravel 7 and okay. It will open like this. So it's so easy to install the Laravel using Laragon. So if you're on Windows 10, it's so very easy. You don't need to install Composer. So they already installed Composer with Laragon. So it's so easy. So it's running. So we have to wait until the installation is done. Okay, so installing Laravel version 7. So this is the latest version. So okay, so we have to wait until the installation is done. Okay, so the installation is done. And clear. Okay, so don't clear also php artisan.serve. Okay, it's running. And open your Google Chrome. Okay, so you cannot access it on prettier, so copy this, the HTTP. Okay, so you need to start again. Okay, so yeah, so we access our Laravel. Okay, so you see this one, the prettier URL, so you can access this too. So if you go here, type HTTPS, so you need to add HTTPS //laravel7.test, and yeah, so you can access it. So I don't like using this, so we have our default URL on this one, so close this, and yeah, so this a cleanest way to do this. So prettier URL, and okay, so where's the location of our file? So if we create our file, right, so we're gonna go to laragon www laravel 7. So this is the file we create. So on your laragon, right click and click www explore. So this is the file. So where all the file we create, right click www explore and click that. And so yeah, so this is our directory of our created file. So you can open this on your VS Code and copy the path, or you can just copy on here. So okay, so yeah, so this is how you're gonna open your Laravel 7 on your VS Code. And one thing you should remember, so you can access the local host. So I think it's localhost port 82. I think I write it port 82. Okay, so this is the file. So on our Apache, we create the Apache server, so it's port 8. So setting, service, so it's Apache's port 82. And yeah, okay, so yeah, so this is how we're gonna install Laravel on Laragon. So I think I explained all of this. So if you right click, quick up, you can this one Laravel on PHP. So this is the ini file. So if you wanna change your ini file more easily, so click this and you get access to your ini file. So one more time, right click. So on PHP, you will get the PHP ini. On tools, you can get the Notepad++, Putty. So yeah, so there's so many easy way to do. Yeah. So quick add. So if you want to add PHP my admin, click this. So we're gonna add our PHP my admin, localhost PHP my admin. So this is how you're gonna gonna access PHP my admin. So yeah, everything's working fine now. So thank you for watching.